Here are 3 fun facts that you didn't know about the common ostrich. Number 1. Common ostriches can run the fastest of any bird species. They can run as fast as 43 miles per hour and can hold a pace at around 35 miles per hour. Number 2. Along with being able to run the fastest of any bird species, the common ostrich is also the largest and the heaviest. These amazing birds can get as tall as 9 feet and weigh up to 350 pounds. Number 3. Common ostriches are the most dangerous birds in the world. Each year, several people die from their super fast and powerful kick.